Afternoon, students. In the last class, we see the 13th chapter, network cabling. In that network cabling, we have to study about the types of cables. 6 types of cables we already studied now. Then in this class, we have to study about Ethernet cabling components. Ethernet cabling components. So what is, before going to Ethernet cabling components, we already studied the Ethernet cable now. So just to go through it. So what is the Ethernet cable? The cables together with male connectors. What is male connectors? Male connectors means that plug. We want to, that plug is called, that is, see this picture, this is called plug. See this? In this picture, this one is a plug. This is the plug. Okay, so the corner of the both end, it will be identical. Okay, so that is the plug. So that plug is inserted into the port. So the cables together with male connectors on each end means both are identical, and it is referred to as Ethernet cables. So it is also called as RJ45 cables. Why it is called as RJ45 cables? The cables together with male connectors, both ends are equal, identical. So it is a Ethernet cable. So it is also called as RJ45 cables. Here RJ means registered jack. RJ means registered jack. So the next topic we will see this one. Okay, you just see the picture alone. This is the RJ45 connector, register jack 45. So we study later. Okay, first of all we study about what is Ethernet cables. It is also called as RJ45 cable since it uses RJ45 connector. That connector will be used in this cable. So it is called as RJ45 cables. Okay. So a crossover Ethernet cable. We already studied the Ethernet cable. It is also called as crossover Ethernet cable. It is an example of null modem cables. Without modem you have to connect it. No. So that is called as crossover Ethernet cable. It is specially designed for making connection between two computers, and it is we already study about for wireless network also we have to use the routers or switches. So designed to make a connection between a computer and a router or a switch, we have to use the wireless network. Okay, so wired network means between two computers we have to use, and then wireless means we have to use the router or switch. Okay, so the Ethernet cables are manufactured in several industrial standards. So several standards are available: CAT 3, CAT 5, CAT 6, and then CAT C, 6E, CAT 7. Here CAT stands for category. Okay, CAT stands for category, and the following number that indicates the version. So the latest version is CAT 7. So the latest version denotes faster and higher frequencies. It is measured in megahertz. Okay, and then it is increasing the speed of, increasing the size of the cable also led to the lower transmission speed. Okay, so before we are studying going to Ethernet cabling components, first of all you have to know about the Ethernet cables, and then now we study about the Ethernet cabling. What is Ethernet cabling? It is the process of connecting the computers with other devices using Ethernet cables. Is called Ethernet cabling. Okay, so there are three main components used in this Ethernet cabling. They are patch cable, that is also called as twisted pair, and then twisted pair you already know that two wires are joined together. That is called as twisted pair. So patch cable, and then RJ45 connector, Ethernet ports. What are the three main components in Ethernet cabling? Patch cable, RJ45 connector, and Ethernet ports. So first of all we have to study about patch cable. What is patch cable? See the picture. This is a patch cable wire. Okay, so now we study. It is made up of 8 wires in different colors. See this 8 wires. they are having no, so two wires, and it is in different colors. So 4 of them are solid colors, that is normal colors, and others are striped. That means that 4 color, what are the 4 colors? Green, orange, brown, blue. These are the 4 colors, solid colors, and others are that color with white. Okay, so the 8 colors are white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, brown. This is the order. Okay, so we studied this in this next topic. Okay, see this, the same order the wire is there. So what are the 8 colors? White green. See the first picture, white green, and then white orange, blue, white blue, and then orange, white brown, and brown. So this is the order for patch cable. Here we studied the same order you have to write. Okay, so white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, brown. So this is the patch cable. What is patch cable? This is inside the Ethernet cable. Okay, so the cable குள்ள இருக்கிற அந்த கார்னரில் ஒரு ஒயிட் மேல் கனெக்டர் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, கார்னரில் 2 சைடும் ஐடென்டிக்கலாக இருக்குன்னு சொன்னேன் இல்லையா. ஸோ தட் ஐடென்டிக்கல் தட் மேல் கனெக்டர், இன்சைட் த மேல் கனெக்டர், it will the patch cable is there. Okay, so the first component is patch cable, and the next one is RJ45 connector. So we see this one, RJ45 connector. See this in the corner, the male connector. Okay, so this is a RJ45 connector. So what is RJ45 connector? It is a small plastic cup. It is a small plastic cup which will be used to connect the wire inside the connector, and it is really connect to the internet. Okay, so it is a plastic cup, small plastic cup. It looks like a telephone jack. Have you seen the telephone jack? டெலிஃபோனில் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா, வயர் கனெக்ஷனை எடுக்கிறப்ப அந்த கார்னரில் குட்டி அது மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும், சின்னதாக இருக்கும். பட் இட் லுக்ஸ் லைக் எ ஸ்லைட்லி வைடர். பட் டெலிஃபோன் ஜாக் it will be in smaller in size. Okay, so it looks similar like a telephone jack, but it looks a slightly wider. So Ethernet cables are sometimes called as, we already know, RJ45 cables. Ethernet cables are also called as RJ45 cables, we already know. So in RJ45, so RJ stands for registered jack, and 45 simply refers to the number of interface standard in the cable, number of interface standard in the cable. So each RJ45 connector has 8 pins and connected to each end of the Ethernet cable. Okay, so each RJ45 connector has 8 pins and it connected to the each end of the Ethernet cable. So since it has 8 position, 8 contact, so இந்த பக்கம் 8 position இருக்கு, 8 contact இருக்கு. Okay, so it is a 8 position 8 contact modular plug. So it is also known as 8P8C connector. 8P8C connector. Okay, so these plugs are then inserted into Ethernet port. Ethernet போர்ட்டுங்கிறது என்னது, இப்போ நம்ம கம்ப்யூட்டர்லேயோ இல்லை லேப்டாப்லேயோ நம்ம இந்த ப்ளக்கை போய் மாற்ற போகிறோன்னா அந்த ப்ளக்கு மாற்றுறதுக்கு உண்டான அந்த இது இருக்கும் இல்லையா, தட் இஸ் கால்ட் போர்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ தீஸ் ப்ளக்ஸ் ஆர், நம்ம இந்த வயரில் இருக்கிற அந்த கார்னரை தான் ப்ளக்குன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ இந்த ப்ளக்கை வந்து நம்ம எங்கே இன்சர்ட் பண்ணுறோம், கம்ப்யூட்டரில் இருக்கிற கம்ப்யூட்டர்லேயோ லேப்டாப்லேயோ இருக்கிற அந்த அந்த பின், தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஈத்தர்நெட் போர்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ நெட்வொர்க் கார்டு போடுற அந்த போர்ட்டில் நம்ம ஜாயின் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் RJ45 கனெக்டர்? இட் இஸ் அ பிளாஸ்டிக் கப் which will be used to connect the wire inside the connector, and it is really connect the internet connection card we have to use. It looks similar like a telephone jack, but it looks like a slightly wider. So Ethernet cables நம்ம ஏற்கனவே என்னன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கோம், RJ45 cables is also called as RJ45 cables. So what is in RJ45? RJ stands for register jack, and 45 it is simply number of interface standards in cable. So each RJ45 connector has 8 pins and connected to each end of the Ethernet cable. Since it has, why it is connected in 8 pins? So it has 8 position, 8 contact modular plug. So it is called as 8P, 8C connector. So these plugs are then inserted into a Ethernet port of the network card. Okay. So next one, wiring scheme. So network connector, RJ45 connector, இப்போ எப்படி wiring schemes and coloring codes of the connector. So இந்த RJ45 குள்ள என்ன கலர்ஸ் எப்படி கனெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, wiring scheme வந்து எப்படி இருக்குன்றதை பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ see in RJ45 connector we have already known 8 small jack inside to connect 8 small wires of the patch cable. So the 8 cables are in 8 different colors. We already know. What are the 8 different colors? White green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, brown. Okay, so these are the colors. So the what is wiring scheme? Wiring schemes means it specifies. So wiring schemes means it specifies how the wires to be connected with RJ45 connector. So what is wiring scheme? It specifies how the wires to be connected with RJ45 connector. So there are 2 wiring schemes are there. Okay, so to terminate the twisted pair cable on each end, ரெண்டு பக்கமும் மாற்றுறதுக்கு ரெண்டு அந்த wiring scheme இருக்கும். ஒரு பக்கம் இருக்கிறது T568A, another side T568B. Okay, see the picture again one time. First picture is T568A. அதில் எப்படி இருக்கும், ஃபஸ்ட்டு பின் வந்து என்ன கலரில் இருக்குது, ஒயிட் க்ரீன், செகண்ட் பின் க்ரீன், தேர்டு பின் ஒயிட் ஆரஞ்ச், ஃபோர்த்து பின் ப்ளூ, fifth pin white with blue, and then sixth pin orange, seventh pin white with brown, eighth pin brown. But in T568B, first pin is white orange and then orange. This is very very important, ma. So you have to study it well. Okay, this color is more important. So white orange, orange, and then white green, blue, white blue, green, and then white brown, brown. So these are the 2 wiring schemes. 2 wiring schemes available in RJ45 connector. So T568A, T568B. Okay, so see the picture again. This is very very important. To now let us discuss about what are the pin details of the Ethernet connector. Okay, so the position of the pin we have to study. See this position of the pin. See this pin 1, we already see this now. Pin 1 white with green stripe. T568A la white green stripe இருக்கும். அது வந்து TX means transmit the data. Okay, so pin 1 வந்து எதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், transmission positive. டிரான்ஸ்மிஷன் வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும், டேட்டாவை டிரான்ஸ்மிட் பண்ணோம் பாசிட்டிவ் டெர்மினலில். ஓகே, அதே இது இங்கே பின் T568Bயில் அதே தான், ஒயிட் ஆரஞ்சில் அது இது. ஸோ T5060A மட்டும் பாருங்கள். ஓகே, ஸோ க்ரீன் வந்து செகண்ட் பின் வந்து எங்கே மாற்றிருக்கோம், டிரான்ஸ்மிஷன் நெகட்டிவ் நடக்குது. அண்ட் தென் பின் 3ல ரிசீவிங் த, இப்போ டிரான்ஸ்மிஷன் டேட்டா பார்த்தோம், அடுத்து என்னது, ரிசீவிங் டேட்டா பாசிட்டிவ். பின் 3ல ரிசீவிங் டேட்டா பாசிட்டிவ் அண்ட் பின் 4ல ரிசர்வ்டு போர்ஷன்னா இப்போதைக்கு எந்த கனெக்ஷனும் இல்லை. இட் இஸ் நத்திங் டு கனெக்ட் எனி ஒன். ஃபார் ஃபியூச்சர் யூஸ் இட் வில் பி யூஸ்டு. ஓகே, சிமிலர்லி 5, 7, 8 ஆல்சோ இட் இஸ் நாட் கனெக்டட். பட் பின் நம்பர் 6 வந்து ஷோஸ் த ரிசீவிங் டெர்மினல் நெகட்டிவ். ஓகே, ஸோ த 2 மெயின் சிக்னல்ஸ், ரெண்டு மெயின் சிக்னல்ஸ் தான் இந்த பின்னில் பார்த்துருக்கோம். வாட் ஆர் தட்? TX which is the transmission of data, RX which is receiver of data. Okay, so now let us see in detail. See the picture pa. Pin 1 transmit plus, pin 2 transmit minus, pin 3 receive plus, pin 4 reserved, pin 5 reserved, pin 6 reserved, pin 7 reserved. Sorry, pin 6 வந்து receive 1, receive minus, pin 7 reserved, pin 8 reserved. Have you all clear? First this one very very important, you first memorize this. Okay, after that now the position you have to study it in detail. What is the Ethernet port pin details? So in the position of you memorize this one. So in the position of pin number 1, what does it describes? It describes the transmission of data. Transmission of data in bidirectional. Bidirectional means what? It can be sent to both connection with the TX. It can be sent to both the connection with the TX positive. So TX plus has positive terminal and the color is used in this position is white green. You have to see only the T568A alone. Okay. T568A ஓட pin box தான் நம்ம பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். So white first இது வந்து white green. Second the position of pin number 2. Pin number 2 என்ன இருந்தது? Pin number 2 it transmit data or bidirectional. See the picture pa. Then only it is easy. So pin number 2 it is transmit, describe the transmit data and it is also bidirectional with TX. TX means transmit data. So that is negative. So TX minus has a negative terminal and the color of this color used in this position is green. Okay. And then pin 3. In the position of pin number 3, it describes receive data or bidirectional with RX. That is, it is a positive terminal and the color used in this white orange. And the position 4, position of the pin number 4, it describes that is not connected. It is not connected, no, pin number 4. So it is not connected or bidirectional. It means there will be no transmitting or receiving will exist. But it can be used later for some other connection. Okay. So the color used in this pin is blue. Okay. And then pin number 5. So what is the position of pin number 5? It describes it is not connected or bidirectional. And the color is white blue. Okay. So in the position of pin number 6, it is a receiving data or bidirectional with RX negative, that is receiving data, which has a negative terminal and the color used in this position is orange. So in this position of and the next one, pin number 7 position, it is not connected and bidirectional and the color is white brown. Similarly, pin number 8, it describes it is not connected and bidirectional and the color is brown. Have you all understand? But see, while seeing this picture, you have to write the details, explanation. Okay. Now, don't memorize these points. You have to see the picture and write only. Have you all understand, pa? And the next one, see the one, the same details I type up to pin 8. Okay. So next topic is Ethernet card and port. That is last component. We studied first topic patch cable and then next one RJ45 connector, adoda wiring scheme paathutom, and the third last one Ethernet card and port. So what is the Ethernet card? Have you know Ethernet card? What is Ethernet card? It is a network interface card. Network interface card. It allows the computers to connect and transmit the data to the devices on the network. Network நமக்கு வேணும்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், NIC card use பண்ணுவோம். So that is a Ethernet card. Okay. So it may be an expansion card or built-in type. இது எப்படி இருக்கும், expansion cardாவும் இருக்கும், built-in typeாவும் இருக்கும். So expansion cardனா எப்படின்னா, it is a separate circuit board. It is also called as PCI Ethernet card, which is inserted into PCI slot on motherboard of the computer. See the picture. See this, the first one, expansion card. First one is expansion card. It is a separate circuit board, also called as PCI Ethernet card, which is inserted into PCI slot on motherboard of the computer. But nowadays, we are using most of the computers come with built-in type, the second one, built-in Ethernet card, which resides on motherboard. See that here that wireless Ethernet cards are also available, which uses radio waves to transmit data. The second one is built-in Ethernet. Built-in Ethernet, there is a corner, see that built-in Ethernet card. Okay, va? So you have to see. So what is a Ethernet card? Ethernet card is a network interface card, that is NIC, which allows the computers to connect and transmit data to the devices on the network. So it may be on two types. What are they? Expansion card, it is in built-in type. Expansion card means it is a card, it is a separate circuit board, also called PCI Ethernet card, which is inserted into PCI slot on motherboard of the computer. Okay, inside the motherboard we have the separate expansion card is there, and nowadays we are using mostly built-in Ethernet card. That is the second picture. Okay, motherboard la oru chinna oru part are. Okay, and then built-in type means it will be already in motherboard. And then wireless Ethernet cards are also available, which uses radio waves, transmit data which uses radio waves. Okay, and next we study about Ethernet port. See that Ethernet port, this is Ethernet port. So this is a Ethernet port. See, an opening, that is which is a part of Ethernet card. Ethernet port means it is a part of Ethernet card. See this Ethernet port RJ45 jack. It is a part of, it is an opening which is a part of Ethernet card. It accepts RJ45 connector with Ethernet cable. It is also called as RJ45 jack. See the picture, see the first picture. Port means what? It is an opening. Ethernet port is an opening which is a part of Ethernet card. It accepts RJ45 connector with Ethernet cable. So it is also called as RJ45 jack. So where it is found, this Ethernet port, it is found on personal computer, laptop, routers, switches, and then hubs, and then modems also. Okay, so we have that the wire நம்ம எங்க மாற்றோமோ அந்த எந்த இடத்துல சொருகுறோமோ that is called Ethernet port. Okay, so we can see on Ethernet port on back side of the computer or a laptop. So it connects Ethernet cable with Ethernet card mounted on motherboard. Next, so in these days, so nowadays most of the computers and laptops have built-in Ethernet ports for connecting the device to be wired network. So some of the computers and laptops have built-in Ethernet ports also. Okay, but some of them not having an Ethernet port. So some laptops alone having built-in Ethernet ports for wired network. For some of them not having an Ethernet port, that uses Ethernet dongles to form a network with other devices. Okay, so devices or computers which use Wi-Fi only for networking eliminates both the cable and its port. Okay, if you are once you inject the plug into the port, plug வந்து நம்ம போர்ட்ல மாத்திட்டோம்னா there are two LED lights that glow in the computer. That is, one is green and another one is orange. So the orange light will start blinks, then that represents, it means the internet is connected. Okay, so how you all understand? So what is here important, we have to study about the Ethernet technology. Ethernet technology means, Ethernet means RJ45, 802.3. These are the other names for Ethernet. Ethernet oda other names enadhu RJ45, 802.3. RJ45 connector male. RJ45 male connector அப்படினாலே plug. மேல்னாலே என்னது, அந்த வயரில் இருக்கிற அந்த கார்னரில் அந்த போர்ட்டில் போய் மாட்ட போகிறோம் இல்லையா, ஸோ அந்த ப்ளக்கை தான் நம்ம என்னென்னு சொல்லுவோம், மேல். RJ45 மேல் கனெக்டர்னா RJ45, அதுக்கு இன்னொரு நேம் என்ன, RJ45 ப்ளக்கு, ஈத்தர்நெட் கனெக்டர், 8P 8C கனெக்டர். RJ45 கனெக்டருக்கு இன்னொரு நேம் RJ45 ப்ளக்கு, ஈத்தர்நெட் கனெக்டர், 8P 8C கனெக்டர். அதே மாதிரி RJ45 ஃபீமேல், தட் இஸ் ஜாக். RJ45 அந்த நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, அந்த லேப்டாப்பில் இதிலலாம் அந்த போர்ட், அந்த வயரை மாட்ட வேண்டிய அந்த பிளேஸ், அந்த போர்ட், தட் இஸ் அ போர்ட், ஈத்தர்நெட் போர்ட். ஸோ அதை வந்து நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், ஃபீமேல். ஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஜாக். ஃபீமேலை ஜாக்குன்னு சொல்லுவோம், மேலே ப்ளக்குன்னு சொல்லுவோம். இது வந்து நீ அடுத்த டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் ரெஜிஸ்டர்ட் ஜாக் படிக்கிறப்ப உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ மேலுங்கிறது ப்ளக்கு, ஃபீமேலுங்கிறது ஜாக்கு. ஓகேவா? ஜாக்குனா அந்த இப்போ அந்த கம்ப்யூட்டரில் அந்த வயரை ஈத்தர்நெட் கேபிள் வயரை மாற்றுற இடம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அந்த இதுக்கு பேர் தான் போர்ட்டு. அதுக்கு இன்னொரு நேமு போர்ட்டுது ஜாக்கு, தட் இஸ் ஃபீமேல். அண்ட் தென் மேல்ங்கிறது அந்த வயரில் இருக்கிற அந்த கார்னர் அந்த போய் ப்ளக்கை மாட்ட போகிறோம் இல்லையா, அந்த வயரில் இருக்கிற அந்த கார்னர் தான் ப்ளக்குன்னு சொல்கிறோம். தட் இஸ் மேல். And then RJ45 cable is also called as Ethernet cable. So these are studied well. Okay. So this Ethernet cabling components will be over, and in the next class we have to see the criming tool. Okay. Thank you, students.